One of the most fascinating things about magnets is their incredible strength. It can also be a source of great frustration when two magnets attract to each other and can't be pulled apart. When large, powerful magnets get stuck together, magnetic separation can be a big problem. Even small ceramic or rare earth magnets can prove surprisingly difficult to separate. Magnets of any size can be dangerous, and it is very important to take precautions when separating them from each other or ferrous metal objects. When separating magnets, take care to protect your eyes and avoid smashing or pinching fingers. Once the magnets are separated, move them apart from each other, as magnetic attraction will cause them to try to jump back together. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and hands. The gloves will also give you a firm grip while protecting your fingers from crushing and the sharp edges of broken magnets. If magnets jump back together, it is common for them to chip or even shatter, causing flying shrapnel and creating hazardous, sharp edges and metal splinters as well as sparks. Just like the live ends of jumper cables, once your magnets are separated, keep them apart. The concept of shear force is at the heart of separating magnets. Keep in mind that the shear force is up to 5 times weaker than the magnetic pull. Magnets make the strongest bond in the direction of their pull and are much weaker if slid to the side instead of being pulled apart. With smaller or weaker magnets, you can just use your hands. For stronger magnets, use the edge technique. Position the stuck magnets on the edge of the table or desk right at the spot where they are joined, and then carefully slide the magnets apart. Strong magnets may need a little more force to introduce a gap. Some magnets are very strong and can be difficult or dangerous to separate. In those cases, you need magnetic separation tools. Magnet separating jigs are made with materials like wood and aluminum that magnets don't attract to. They help you slide magnets apart by giving you a way to safely apply additional leverage. The jigs are easily made and can be customized to the exact size and function needed. To prevent the jump back, the jig can also have catch bends and spaces. The jig shown here shows a catch bend from one magnet to drop down a safe distance and a catch space for the remaining magnet. If required, our magnets come with a plastic foam or heavy cardboard spacer between them. The stronger the magnet, the thicker the spacer should be. Spacers simply provide a non-attracting surface for the magnets, creating the necessary air gap to keep them apart. It is helpful to keep these for future storage. Store the magnets in their original packaging and with space in between them to avoid getting them stuck together when they are not in use. For more tips, be sure to subscribe to this channel and visit us at www.magnetsource.com.